All right, we are looking at vitamins. So here we have our vitamins. He takes the same number per month. 2 months after he's stocked up, he has 265 vitamins. And 7 months after he's stocked up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, he has 150 vitamins left. And we want to figure out how much did he purchase when he first stocked up. So in other words, what was his starting? Not after 1 month, not after 2 months, but how do we start? So what we really need to do is recognize that we are going to subtract the same amount 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So to go from here to here, that is 115 vitamins. Let me make sure that 265 minus 150, yeah, is 115. So this is how many vitamins are lost within a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So if I divide that by 6, just kidding, did I count that right? Oh, I didn't. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I divide 115 divided by 5 times, that would be 23, oh my gosh, 23 vitamins per time. That is crazy. So in terms of 23, if I go backwards 23, that's 265 plus 23, which gives me 288. And if I add another 23, that is 311. So just real quick to make sure I'm on the right track, like say 265 minus 23 gives me 242, minus 23 gives me 219, minus 23 gives me 196, minus 23 gives me 173, and minus 23 gives me 150. Okay, so that kind of helps us confirm that we really seem to be figuring out how much. So this would have been how many we started with. How much he has each month. We would start with 311, that's our starting point, and then we would subtract 23 each time. I'm going to do B for vitamins. If this pattern continues, how many months? M for months. How many months will it take for Mr. Whatever to run out of vitamins? So you have a few different options. You can just start subtracting, and figure out where it goes. Or you could say, well, when is it that we equal 0? So if we find that, we would have 311 divided by what, 23? So 13.52. So at 13 months, we'll still have some left, because 23 times 13 is 299, so we won't have taken them all. But 14 times 23 is 322, and we won't have any left. So at the end of 13 weeks, we won't have enough for my next set of vitamins, because I'm taking 23. Holy cow. Okay. If this was graphed, would the graph be discrete or continuous? Excellent question. So if we have a graph, and we're talking about months, and we're talking about vitamins, obviously at our 0 months, starting off, we have here at 311. And after 1 month, we suddenly have 288. And then we have, after 2 months, we have our 265. So we have some options. We can either say that, hey, for the next whole time, we have this many vitamins. So part of the month, we didn't take any, so we have kind of a step function. Or we can also talk about like just vitamins in the jar, going from there. So either way, it's definitely discrete, because each month you jump down a certain number of vitamins.